I am allowing all the petitions appointing Anima Hazarika, the arbitrator.
Please stop. Highly related.
Yes. Follow.
Your lordship.
What?
Listing of an IA lordship.
Okay, next week.
Can it be Tuesday lordship?
Okay.
Daily list for motion item number 1.
Yes, anybody? Bulidas? Non appears next week. Next.
Item number 2.
Yes.
Lordship, in this petition, my lord, elder brother deposed my lord
Hello, brother, report.
and the secretary.
Notice recorded. He is next.
Obliged.
Item number 3.
May I please your lordship? Impugned order at page 73, lordship. My lord, uncle deposed lordship in this case, uncle and Panchayat secretary lordship. Both deposed, Panchayat certificate was displayed lordship. My lord, may I pray to look at page 78. In the name of investigation, there is at all nothing lordship.
We'll see that. Notice recorded.
Obliged lordship.
Item number 4.
May I please, lordships. In this case, my lord, impugned order, my lord, can this page, my lord, page 97, my lord.
What is wrong with that?
My lord, actually the petitioner was not guided properly, my lord, because only she herself produced evidence at DW1, my lord. And there is ample sufficient documents, my lord. But in my lord, impugned order, my lord, is page 98. Can you see para 3, my lord? Para 3. Since the prosecuting opposite party did not complete her evidence, my lord, did not complete her. That's why, my lord, I filed this petition, my lord, to allow to adduce.
Okay, we'll examine it. Notice record interim is.
So interim, my lord. Much obliged.
Item number 5.
May I please lordship? Also, brother, examine lordships.
Brother,
Lordships.
real brother.
Lordships.
Examine lordship.
Notice record interim. Yes.
SP. Foreign lordships. Keep lordships.
Item number 6.
May I please, lordship? My lord, impugned order page 67.
What is wrong with that?
And wrong one, this learned traveler said that there are differences in ages and names, and also did not produce the sell and revenue receipt. That are the main reason. Whether Jamabandi was produced and it is exhibited.
Jamabandi. Okay, notice record interim.
S3 Bongaigaon.
Item number 7.
May I please, lordship? Lordship, it is a contested case, lordship. Lordship, the petitioner has been declared as foreigner. Order dated 15/11/2021.
What is wrong with
Order,
that?
please.
What is wrong with that order? What is wrong with that order? What is the problem?
Lordship, in the order, lordship, the court declared that all the documents are not relevant to prove her citizenship, lordship.
Which
Lordship-
document you have relied
Lordship,
upon?
the petitioner submitted the NRC copy, lordship, and the voter list of lordship 1966, the voter list of 1970, and lordship the final Khotiyan of 1962 also of her father.
Father.
Yes, lordship.
1966 of her father.
Yes, lordship.
Lordship will examine.
This record interim. Yes.
Lordship, interim order may be granted.
Yes.
Item number 8.
May I please, this petition is pertaining to transfer proceeding.
Transfer.
Pending before the foreigner
Will I think transfer, I think we'll examine.
CAB lordship, the
CAB.
earlier matters has been kept as CAB.
CAB, yes.
It may be listed after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks, list after 2 weeks.
Item number 9.
May I please your lordships? My lord, here, in this case, father has adduced evidence as DW2. And she has exhibited voters list of.
Notice record interim.
Deep view, my lord.
Item number 10.
May I please your lordship? This case is also for transfer from
Transfer
one tribunal.
after
to
two-
two
after
weeks.
2 weeks, list after 2 weeks.
lordship.
In a
Yes,
meantime, yes.
yes, lordship. And in fact, one writ petition also is pending, the same, in the same case. It's a writ petition number 2347 of the.
We'll take it up along with the
Together.
PC number.
2347/2021.
Item number 11.
Left his lordship for the timely, my lord, the senior will come, my lord.
Anyway, we'll see if he doesn't come next. Yes, next.
Item number 12.
Lordship, in this case, my lord, petitioner's father was declared as a post 71 stream, my lord. After his death, my lord. He could not properly, my lord, answer the reference, my lord. And now the petitioners are the sons and daughters of the declared foreigner. And due to the opinion of this tribunal, my lord, they are suffering a lot, my lord.
Chief, they have to implead themselves, lordship first. Then lordship can pass an order.
You are challenging the father's opinion.
Lordship.
But they have not impleaded themselves as respondents, lordship. As
Only thing is
petitioners.
that, now it has been, if the opinion has been already rendered, the question of implement does not arise, then they have to challenge it. They are saying that they are father. We'll examine. them.
Somebody has to.
Correct. Yeah.
The reference is still alive, lordship. It has not reached
Oh.
its logical
Okay,
conclusion.
reference is still, no.
No,
The
reference-
opinion has been given, na?
Opinion has been given and it has not been stayed or anything, lordship. So the children will have to substitute themselves, lordship.
No, but then if the proceeding is already over before a tribunal, then they have to apply, they have to challenge it, something, I don't know,
Exactly.
challenge where in this court or tribunal.
No, they
Yeah.
have to come to this court.
To the
They have to
court.
implead themselves first.
But where a petitioner,
Petitioners. Yes, lordship.
They are petition.
Yes, lordship will examine the
Yes.
letter. I thought it was still alive, lordship.
no. Yes. So we'll issue notice, we'll issue notice, call for
Yes,
record also,
Lordship.
we'll examine what is to be done in the meantime.
Lordship had passed some orders in this earlier.
Sorry,
Did lordship pass some orders because we had placed some decisions of earlier matters. If they, this court will again send it back, pass orders to pass an order to the superintendent to examine it, whether a fresh inquiry for them is necessary or not, lordship.
because we don't know whether, if the reference is only against his father,
Yes,
that we don't know.
let this records come later.
Let the record. If it is so, what you saying is correct, then they can proceed to make a
Yeah.
fresh inquiry and make a reference.
So it is up to them, lordship.
Since it is not hard, Mr. and issue notice, since it is not certain as to whether inquiry was made against the present petitioners as well, and also reference. Let the records be requisition. However, in the meantime, no prejudicial action be taken against the present petitioners in terms of the impugn opinion of the learned tribunal censors.
For admission, item number 13.
Records have been received, no? We'll fix for hearing anything you want. Anything else you want?
To your lordship.
Huh?
Up to your lordship,
You have got an interim order also?
my lord.
You got, okay. Since the records have been received, then let the matter be listed for hearing.
Item number 14.
Yes,
Yes, lordship. My senior is election code number 8, my lord.
do you have
So
any
may
idea
the-
whether you have got an interim?
No, my lord.
No,
And petitioner
Office
was
of-
arrested on
arrested. Okay. The next week we'll consider, next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Monday.
Monday, okay, Monday.
2111. For orders, item number 15.
My lord, here in this
Amiron.
case, my lord, earlier, he has filed a writ petition challenging the declaration. And in that case, my lord, the opinion was set aside and petitioner being in jail, direction was given to release her. But the tribunal, my lord, the SP Dorang, my lord, did not release because of some variation of name of her husband. My lord, that order, my lord, communication, my lord, at page 16. My lord, the SP said that on verification of the records, her husband name is on record, case record, found Komizuddin. But the cause title of the writ petition
Page
is.
60,
Yes,
which you are
ma'am.
reading,
16.
Amiron,
Amiran.
116, 16.
6, my lord. Lordship may kindly have a look at my lord, third paragraph of page 16. After verifying the documents with the concerned foreigners tribunal records and record of transit camp
Just a
Tezpur.
minute, page 16.
Yes, 16.
This is Amiron, in the
Amiron.
IA.
I am.
Oh, that's- Yes,
My lord, 16, my lord. I am, my lord, reading my lord paragraph, third paragraph.
yes,
After verifying the documents with the concerned foreigners tribunal records and record of transit camp Tezpur, it is found that the name of the husband of the defendant declared foreigner is late Tamizuddin Sarkar. But in the order received from Honorable High Court, it is found late Saizuddin.
then,
My lord, in fact, my lord, her plea is that her husband correct name is Saizuddin. Kindly have a look at my lord notice. Notice issued to her, my lord. Vernacular at page 23. The notice was also issued showing her husband Tomizuddin Sarkar oblique Saizuddin Ali.
page 23.
Page 23, my lord. The vernacular.
Srimati,
Srimati Amiran Begum,
Amiron Begum,
wife Shami Tamizuddin Sarkar oblique late Saizuddin Ali.
both are mentioned.
Both are mentioned. My lord,
Lordship, but in this, it is not mentioned in the writ petition.
No, is a notice from your side, both. Because see, sometimes names are different
They-
given
they
that is.
should- They could have inserted this in the clause title also because the police officer is going by these records.
Correct,
Lordship.
correct.
If Lordship passes an order, that it is one and the same person. Since
my lord, in the
There's a
cost detail, my lord,
discrepancy,
we have written only husband as Saizuddin, my
So
lord.
that has created problem,
Yes, madam.
confusion, na?
My lord.
Confusion
So we
not
pray
yet.
for correction of the amendment of the cost title of the
Uh,
petition.
brought this to the notice
Correct.
of this court
Correct.
also. Lordship.
Yes. Then you have to make a correction, the course title,
Yes, my lord. I have, that is my prayer, my lord, in this.
but in the Amiron Begum, there is no note, huh?
And in the foreigner's record, it is as Tamijuddin and here he is coming as Saijuddin Lordship.
Correct, but no, but then in the notice, it has been also written Saizuddin,
Saizuddin Ali.
Elias, huh? So what do you say, yes, do you make correction, allow the application or
Let
what?
me make the correction, Lord.
Okay.
Because it has to be
Correct.
on record, Lordship.
Yes. So this I is for what?
My lord, for correction of the cost title of the
Okay.
petition, my lord. I have indicated in
Okay, I have
paragraph 5.
Mr. Sikdar Lane counsel for the applicant, also Ms. Verma for the state. The present application has been filed for making a correction in the course title. As regards the name of the husband of the present petitioner, present petitioner, Amiran
Amiran Begum, alias
Begum alias Amiran
Bewa.
Bewa. It has been submitted that it has been submitted while notice was issued by the tribunal to the petitioner. She was addressed as a wife of
Tamizuddin.
Tamizuddin
Tamizuddin
Sarkar,
Sarkar.
oblique
Oblique late Saizuddin Ali.
late Tamizuddin Sarkar, oblique late Tamizuddin
Saizuddin Ali.
Ali.
Two different names.
It is a
completely
case with the
different names.
petitioner, Professor, that her husband's real name is
Correct name is
Correct name is-
Saizuddin Ali.
Sayyidina Ali, but however, it has been also mentioned, but however, his name also has been also referred to as
Late Tamizuddin,
late
Tamizuddin Sarkar.
Tamizuddin Sarkar, which is also clearly can be evident from the notice issued by the tribunal, copy of which is annexure
Annexure 4.
4 to this application. Unfortunately, while filing the writ petition, the petitioner did not mention the other name, that is late
Late Tamizuddin Sarkar.
Tamujuddin Sarkar, but only the name as late Saizuddin, resulting in certain confusion in the confusion in the office of the SP border
SP border Mongolday, my lord.
Mongoloid, full stop, because of which the petitioner had not been applicant petitioner had not been able to get the benefit of the interim order of bail passed by this court on 4/4/2022 in WPC number 2408 of 2022. Full stop. Having heard learned counsel for the parties also, on perusal of the notice issued by the foreigners tribunal in the proceeding against the petitioner, wherein her husband's name has been recorded as late Tamizuddin Sarkar late
Let
Sa-
Sajuddin.
Shaizuddin. We have the view that the view that necessary correction is sought for as regards the name of the husband of the application can be allowed. Accordingly, in the course title, the name of the husband of the applicant will be also reflected as wife of late Tamizuddin Sarkar, alias late Saizuddin Ali. Saizuddin Ali.
My lord, you noticed Sajuddin Ali.
Saizuddin Ali.
Somewhere Sarkar,
Hmm.
all confusion created because he did not place the
Under
information.
under circumstances, under circumstances, the SP border
Dorang Mongol.
Dorang Mongoldoy will do the needful for releasing the applicant petitioner on bail as directed by this court on 4/4/2022 in WPC number 2408 of 2020. With the above observation, correction made, the application stands allowed.
Deeply obliged.
Supplementary list for orders item 18.
Item?
18.
Yes, anybody? Yes?
Yes.
What is this IF for?
This is IF for the non-compliance of the order that was passed by this court. The SP Gulaghar, he refused to release the petitioner from the detention camp by verbally stating that he is not satisfied with the order.
Yes, why refuse to release?
Your lordship may kindly turn to page 15, your lordship, which is the last order passed by this court. This was an IA where the direction was specifically made to the Gulaghar Superintendent of Police order. Earlier it was passed to the Jorhat where they passed an order at a page 14, which they do not have the jurisdiction. And later the IA was filed where a specific order was given to the Gulaghar border superintendent of police, but he verbally stated that he was not satisfied with the order. At the very first stages, he was busy with different events and he was lingering with the same. And later on, he refused to release the party.
Yes, take instruction.
No, I'll call him up and speak to him, lordship.
Acha.
It is going to be SP Golaghat, no?
SP Gulaghar.
Golaghat.
The page 20 also, your lordship can see.
Now, what is to be done? Yes, Varma. Any instruction?
Lordship can fix it up for Monday.
Monday.
Today we'll have a word like that. Maybe he hasn't gone through the order.
Okay,
Maybe. Is
okay.
there anything else with my friend is not submitting? I don't know. If there's anything else, because we're coming with half facts, lordship.
No, the facts is completely.
Anyway, you see that,
Because-
Varma, take instruction as to why it was not complied with.
Page 20 also, the receipt
Huh?
copy I have submitted, your lordship.
Let Ms. Verma take instruction as to why the order of this court has not been complied
Very
with by the
good.
concerned SP border,
Gulaghar.
Golaghat. List on so and so.
Your lordship.
Monday, 21.
Monday.
For hearing item 16 and 17.
For hearing, why it is fixed today, hearing? Is it Friday? Then we call next week. I mean, list in usual course. Is there any specific reason why it is fixed
No,
today?
lordship.
Any order? Any order by the court fixing today for hearing?
Last date it was
Huh?
fixed for hearing.
Cotton year. Will it come on hearing list?
SP Golaghat,
Let it on hearing list. Let it come on hearing list, hearing day.
might be my instruction.
Timing item 11.
Where is that item? Yes, anybody? Yes,
Sorry, but I could not reach it.
Yes.
But I have produced all the documents of my father and my school certificate was given to as a show link.
Please, you go.
It was not accepted on the ground that there is a emblem of Ashok pillar in this school certificate. That's why it was turned on.
okay, notice record interim. That's all, anything?
Okay, sir.
Hearing will continue criminal matter. Criminal matter.
Item number 1 to 4, hearing list.
Yesterday we had reached up to PW8. Huh? PW8 or remember? You remember PW8?
Yes, Lordship. Last Lordship recorded PW8 Lordship.
We had recorded.
Not recorded Lordship.
Not recorded. Okay.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. The next witness examined was Biju Nath. Examined as PW8. He stated that though he knew the complainant and the accused, both the accused person, he did not know this is Ornamai Bora. He stated at about 2:33 p.m. on 31/5/2017, while he was coming from Kanpur to Jamunamukh by driving one Eon vehicle, he met the accused Salimuddin near Kahar Gaon. He was seen walking by the middle of the road. When he honked the horn, of his vehicle, he did not allow his vehicle to pass by, and he looked askance at him and was in an angry mood. He then assumed that the said Salimuddin was under the influence of intoxicants. He then proceeded to drive his vehicle past him and went to Jamunamukh. On the next day, he saw the photo of Salimuddin on the TV and understood that he had met him on the place where the incident had taken place. It was broadcast on TV that the incident had taken place in the said place. Later on, the police questioned him and brought him to the court for recording his statement. After recording his statement, the police took him to the place of occurrence again, and the video recording of the same was done. Later, he was taken to jail in Nagaon. Why he was taken to jail, any idea? Was he arrested or just for identification? He was taken to jail in Nagaon. For identification. Okay. And he proved the statement which he made before a magistrate, which was exhibited as Exhibit 7.
For TIP, he was taken to Nagaon jail.
Okay. In the cross-examination, he stated that there were some 25 to 26 persons along with the accused who were made to stand at jail for TIP. He stated though he could recognize him, he did not identify. He also stated that he did not say that he could identify him as he was scared. He stated that on the day of occurrence, he met the accused in eastern side of Sanjurai Reserve. He also told his companion Subhas Nath in his house that he had met Salim. He denied that he did not mention about meeting Salim on the road in his statement recorded before the magistrate and about the honking of his vehicle on the road and about him, looking at him angrily. He also denied that he did not recognize Salim during the TIP. Next, the next witness examined was Srimati Kalpana Medhi, as PW9. She is the mother of Pulok Medhi, who informed her at about 3 p.m. on one day, about 6 months ago, that her son had seen one person assaulting one woman under oak plum tree. Thereafter, he went to Jamunamukh, and later on he came to know that Ornamani Bora had been killed. However, during the cross-examination, she stated that she did not hear as to who had assaulted Ornamani Bora.